Hey there, so your Google ads are finally getting clicks. Congrats. But hold up, do you even know if those clicks are turning into actual leads, purchases, or signups? If not, you are basically throwing darts in the dark. Let's fix it. Today I'm showing you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Think of conversion tracking as your campaign's GPS. Without it, you don't know what ads are working, what eating your budget, or which keywords are actually making you money. You wouldn't drive blindfolded, right? Same energy here. Conversion is any action you want people to take after clicking your ad. Example, filled out a form, bought something, booked a call, watched a video, clicked a button. If it's meaningful to your business, it counts. So how you can create it? So first, create your conversion action. Go to Google Ads dashboard. Now click the wrench icon in the top right, go to conversions under measurement, hit that new conversion action, choose website. Then enter your domain. Google will check if the Google tag is already installed. If not, no worries, we will do the next. You will now choose how and you want to track. URL setup, best if the conversion, loading a thank you page. Manual setup, best for tracking button clicks from fields, custom values, etc. In manual setup, you can assign values, choose your attribution model, and customize everything. Now that your conversion action is set, it's time to connect your site to Google Ads. What's a Google tag? It's a small piece of code that sends data from your website to your Google Ads account. Think of it like a walkie-talkie. Two options: or to install, manually paste it into the head section of every page on your site. Use Google Tag Manager. If you choose manual setup earlier, you will also get a conversion snippet. This goes only on the page where the conversion happens. Now head back to the conversion section in Google Ads. Look for the status column. Your text should say recording conversions. If it doesn't, check for errors or install the Google Tag Assistant from extension to debug it like a pro. Here are some conversion type Google Ads: website actions, phone calls from ads on your site, app installs or in-app actions, offline conversions, local actions. And when you set them up, you will choose a conversion category like purchase, lead, contact, view content. This helps organize your reporting data. Once conversion are tracking, use the insights to adjust bidding, cut off the bad performing keywords, double down and what's working. Conversion tracking, clarity, and clarity equal to cash. That's the full walkthrough of how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. You are now flying blind anymore. Now you have got real data to make estimated decisions. If you found this helpful, drop a like or save it for later. And hey, go turn this click into conversations.